Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? Come along with me. Multiplying a number by 25. This is the Mickey Trick segment where we'll solve mathematics with the speed of light. Now, the first thing, when you are multiplying any number by 25, the first thing is multiply the number by 100 divided by 4. And that's also when you're multiplying by 100, just add 2 zeros. So 48 times 100, that's 4,800. Just add 2 zeros, any number whatsoever. Now let's divide it by 4. Divided by 4. 4 in 4, that's 1. 4 in 8, that's 2. So 1,200. And that's all. Let's look at the second one. 76 divided by, multiplied by 25. So that's 7,600 divided by 4. Look at the trick. Multiply by 100. You add 2 zeros. Divide by 4. Now 4 in 7 is how many? 1. Remainder 3. 4 in 36, 9. So that's 1,900, 1,900. Very easy. Let's look at this one. 1,200 divided by 4, that's what? 300. Very easy. You can solve it with the speed of light. This 3,500, 3,500 divided by 4, that's 875. 875. Then the last one, you have 1,700 divided by 4. That will give us what? 425. And that's all. Very easy. Remember, when you're multiplying a number by 25, what you do is multiply by 100, divide by 4, and you get your answer. And when you're multiplying by 100, just add 2 zeros to that number, and that's all. I hope you have learned in today's class, just like in our usual style. Before we go, here's some list of takeoff one you can practice. The first one, you can have something like this: 45 times 25. The second one, you can have 20 times 25. The third one, you can have 18 times 25. The fourth one, you can have something like this: 37 times 25. The last but not the least, you can have 29 times 25. Practice this with this method. Do let me know the answers in the comment section, how easy you found it. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Maths Class, a channel so dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you're here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. Till we meet again in the next Mickey Trick segment. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.